Hey creators, today I'm going to share with you a game-changing tool and a bunch of tips on pacing your layout. You know what? When I go to mentor one-to-one with picture book creators, I am really surprised at how many have written and gotten their illustrations done, but never even stopped to consider the part of the process where they would paginate and storyboard and plan out the suspense and all the action and the illustrations and visuals in a way that's going to not only help the story be the best it can possibly be visually and in pacing, but in a way that's going to help everything go smoother, including the illustrations. It can save you a ton of time and resources by planning first. Just in case you're not familiar with what pagination and storyboarding are, typically, pagination is when a writer divides the manuscript across the pages and spreads of the book. They can communicate this to the illustrator or use it for themselves to illustrate the book, but it's when they intentionally look at the manuscript and give it a place on the pages that feels right and usually create some sort of page-turning suspense. Storyboarding is slightly different. It's where you then take the pagination and create a rough sketch or a simple plan for the visuals. And it's where that little rough thumbnail sketch, just something real quick and sloppy even, can create the illustration ideas, compositions, page flow, and really begin to get the visuals started. I then often go into a larger size where I create, rather than a tiny sloppy thumbnail, I then can create more of a sketch, and I'll often put the text there on the page so I can even imagine where the text goes, so I can create the illustrations along and complementing the text, and that because I don't like it when text just goes over top of my pictures. So I plan that all out in this stage. So you see, storyboarding and pagination are slightly different. In my world, they go really hand in hand, but they are a really crucial and intentional part of the process that I'm trying to get the word out there. Don't skip this part. Your book is going to be so much better. With my resource here, this Pagination Planner, you can print it out and use it pen to paper analog style, or you can use it digitally on your iPad. I import it into Procreate as a PDF. I not only use it to sketch and do the initial storyboarding, but I actually use it as a way to keep track of what illustrations I have done. For example, in this recent publication that I have, Let's Sourdough, I used it to put in the tiny little thumbnails of my finished illustrations, and it let me know what pages were completed, and that just felt so good. And you'll see here all kinds of helpful little tools that this planner has built into it, including pacing guides for a narrative style picture book. It includes beginning, world building, middle, conflict, and resolution. These are for you to flex. You don't have to stick to them. They are meant for a 32-page picture book, which is a really typical length of book for a children's storybook. And as well, I've given some spread planning symbols that help you to decide what style illustration that you're going to do on a page. And what I mean by that is double page spreads, single page spreads, spotlight, framing, and vignettes. You can see a whole video that I have on this where I describe what they are and how to use a variety and use them in a way that really bring your manuscript to life. If you want to go deeper into my process of storyboarding, I have other videos on the channel where I really just sit down and create with you. So you can check that out on all my different playlists. As well, I have a free writing picture books class here on a playlist on this channel. As well, the links below have all my printable resources. Thanks so much for being here. I hope this has helped. And if anything, let it inspire you to get organized right in the beginning through pagination and storyboarding in order to help your story be the best it can possibly be. Until next time, picture book creators, happy creating.